Hey guys, we received this Tidy Tools commercial dust mop. As you can see, this is the refill sort of the mop itself, but not the handle. So this one is great like mop, the 40 inches, the dust mop for hardwood floors, and you can reuse it or use it like with this Tidy Tools head mop or mop head. So this is a really a dry one, and you can see a nice clothing and things here with a nice stitching. You can also wash it after this cleaning and reuse it. So this is a great thing. Like you can see a fur clothes so that you absorb water, and then just the dry mop or dust mop or do any other things with it. So this goes really well with this Tidy Tools head or the handle. So this you can see the handle that I put in, and once you see this handle, and this is the handle you have to buy like separately from the Tidy Tools, and this goes really well as a metal uh, stand that hold this or the metal frame that hold this mop, and then you can just tie this with this laces and use a extendable handle to use it. So this make it easy. This is a 90% nylon, the 10% cotton blend with the mop head, and it's pretty good. Like with the handle, you can easily use that, then take it out and clean, and then use it the other time. So very nice mop.